In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal account number step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and sign into your PayPal account. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website before entering your login details. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and type the address directly, rather than following links from emails. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Next, go to the settings area by clicking the small gear icon in the top right corner of the page. This opens your account settings where PayPal groups options into a few tabs. We're not changing anything here. We're just heading to the section that stores your information. In the settings menu, click the data and privacy tab. This is where PayPal keeps tools for managing the information linked to your account. Scroll down the page until you see the option labeled download your data. This tool creates a file that contains your account details and history. We're going to use it to view your account number in a clear, readable format. At this point, PayPal may ask you to verify your account. If you're prompted, complete the verification step. This might be a one-time code sent to your phone or email, or an approval in your Authenticator app. Verification is normal and helps protect your information. Now choose the PDF format for the download. PDF is recommended because it opens easily on most devices and is simple to read and search. After selecting PDF, submit the request to download your data. PayPal will start preparing your file. This can take a moment, so give it a little time to generate. Keep the tab open and you'll see when the file becomes available to download. Once the file is ready, click to download it and open the PDF. Inside this document, you'll find your PayPal account number along with other account details. The number may appear near your profile or account information section. If the document is long, use your computer's search feature, press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac, and type terms like account number, account ID, or customer ID to jump straight to it. When you find it, consider saving the PDF in a secure location and avoid sharing your account number publicly. Treat it like any other sensitive identifier. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.